Okay. Hello all, and welcome to another edition of King Joe's Unboxing. Today 3 packages came, also Sports Illustrated. So let's get right down to it. First one, do not bend. Okay, I'll open it from the other side. Okay, put that down. I got Human Torch #1, Grimm Fairy Tales issue 69, WonderCon exclusive, and Bozo the Clown #2, Bozo the Clown and the Weather Wizard #2. Probably most of you don't even know who Bozo the Clown is, but back in the 50s, he was America's most famous clown. What the hell? Okay, I finished completely the Barry Windsor Smith Storytellers. This was actually an Ashcan edition, special 8-page comic preview. So now I have every Barry Windsor Smith treasury finished. So I have 1 through 9, I have the variant #1, and now I have the Ashcan preview of #1. That'll get put in all this package, which I have no clue what it is. Where's it from? Keep that. That's an LP box. I wonder if the guy worked for a record manufacturer. And I got Aquaman Volume 1, issue #2. So I only need one Aquaman comic to finish my Silver Age Aquaman run. So, very close to having all that done. So that does it for this edition of King Joe's, and as always, I thank you for viewing and subscribing. King Joe, out. The stack goes up in the attic.